Nareen, and today we're going to show you how to do a coffee-based beverage. Alright, so come on in and follow me. So this is the coffee machine that we use, alright, to make any kind of espresso-based beverage. Alright, I have my student Wei Ling. Wei Ling, say hi. Alright, so Wei Ling's going to assist me in showing you how to make a cappuccino. Okay, alright. First thing first, we take a portafilter. Alright, so this is where your coffee grinds will go. Your pressed coffee beans into powder will go, and then we will extract an espresso shot. Hygiene is very important. We wipe the portafilter to clean out the grinds. Alright, so this dosa is a program to extract an espresso shot. Alright, so coffee beans get grinded and it comes out as a powder form. We then use our finger, alright, and make sure that the coffee powder is packed into the dosa so that we get to extract the perfect espresso shot. We will then tamp down the coffee powder, coffee grind, to make sure it's compacted. Okay, we use enough force to make sure that it's done. Put the portafilter in. Make sure it is locked in properly, alright, and then we will extract our espresso shots. So there you have it. That is the perfectly extracted shot that Wei Ling has done. We will then put in the milk to finish up our coffee espresso-based beverage. We're going to do our next step, which is to froth our milk. Once done with the putting the milk and the espresso together, we will then finish it up with the saucer, a teaspoon, and cocoa powder. And there you have it, boys and girls. We have a perfectly made cappuccino. Alright? We hope you've enjoyed this small little coffee session. Alright? And we hope to see you around in ITE College West, Crema West soon.